Hey guys, this is another video. It's Wednesday, March 12, 5:08 p.m. 2025. And this is not my game. This is Randall John, Ryvin M. Bambas game. Kasi sa Bicol Meet siya ngayon, sinandyan lang sa akin to. Laban niya si Sarteza. Last video ko, I think, it was about sa ano nung provincial meet. It was about Sarteza. And then nag-rematch sila, pinuntaan ni Sarteza, si Bamba. Training ground sila, and naglaban sila, panalo si Bamba. Re-reviewin lang natin yung game na yon, yung winning game niya. So, ayun, we're gonna start off with E4. Here, puti si Bamba kasi siya yung panalo. So, ayun, E4, C5, and this is the Sicilian opening. C3, E6, D4, D5. This is also my way. This is also my kind of line kapag nagsi-Sicilian, yung parang ganyan. Pero here, after d4, d5, e5, knight c6, we have, you can say, quite the dubious move, which is bishop b5. In here, the engine already does not like it. It's minus 3. From plus 3 to minus 3. It's gotta be a crazy line, a crazy move in class or in professional play. Pero yeah, it's just practice. Tas, syempre, kung hindi mo masyadong alam yung line, tas kung hinihila mo yung kalaban mo, normal lang yan. Pero, it's not that bad. Pero it is bad kung alam ng kalaban mo. So, here, the best move is Queen E5. And then, kailangan mo nakainin. Ang point na kasi ng Queen A5, may-use mo yung parang pin here sa pawn na to. Pag punta niya ng Queen dito, mapipin yung pawn, and yung pressure ng bishop, is makakapunta siya dito, so atakin niya yun. Parang mas active lang yung black. So, ayun yung idea. Pero here, start as a trade Queen B6, and then bishop takes C6 check, B takes, and then knight to E2. Tamang develop lang. Here, it's minus 5. Di pa naman masyadong clear, pero Sarteza, using his play, tactical brilliance, finds bishop A6. Normal yan kapag ayaw mong pakastingin yung kalaban mo, kapag may pressure kang dinadala, you always want to keep the pressure on, especially sa position na to. Kasi binigyan ka na agad ng early advantage ng kalaban mo. Minsan ka lang makakuha ng advantage sa 1 hour game, tas bala ka pa. Kaya, sulitin mo yun. And that's what Arteta did. Has done, I think. Bishop A6, casting kingside in here. He had the chance of a lifetime to win a pawn by playing C takes D4. Kasi here, after C takes D4, bishop takes E2, queen takes E2, queen takes D4. Black is clearly, I say, clearly up a pawn. Kahit ako, sabihin ko, madlulugi na ako, madidismaya na ako, kasi wala na akong pawn. As in, wala ka ng pawn, agad-agad, wala ka ng pawn. Okay? Bamba alam kung marinig mo to, pero wala ka ng pawn. Sa posisyon na to. Here, ang best move kasi, hindi siya castling, it's actually D takes C5, and after bishop takes C5, tsaka ka makastling. Thank God, hindi nahanap si Sarteza. Kasi, it's you can say na it's quite an easy find. I'm not judging ha. Hindi naman ako nagbibicol meet eh. Tapos practice game. Who knows kung yung circumstances nila. Ayun, casting king side, C takes D4 C takes D4, C takes D4, and here still bishop takes E2 ang best move. Like this, yan best move. Pero hindi na nangyari. Ang nangyari sa game is knight H6. And here, yung minus 9, minus 1, is naging plus 6. Kasi after bishop takes H6, bishop takes E2, white is not in a bind anymore. Wala na siya. Free na ang white. Kasi yan, bishop takes. Sabi yan, queen takes dito. Bishop D2. And after queen takes, rook, queen to C2. And suddenly, trapped na yung queen. After bishop C4, my knight BC3, and trapped na talaga yung queen. Okay? So, hindi pwede yun. I guess medyo mahirap hanapin yun. Pero you had to find that para maglamang. Kasi after bishop takes, pawn takes, knight BC3, sabihin natin queen takes dito, that's not a good move. Kasi you're just giving white an open file. And after F4, white has the positional advantage. So, ayan.
Kahit man ako, pag may nakita akong bata rin na naglalaylay dyan, kukuhanin ko.
After knight H6, pardon for the background noises, nakikibahay lang ako. Knight H6, Bamba played Knight BC3, continually developing. Yeah, sabi ko nga mahirap medyo hanapin yung tier na yan kasi kailangan mong mahanap yung line wherein kakainin ng black yung B2 pawn. Pero okay lang yan. Knight BC3, the game goes on. And then Knight F5. Rook E1, Bishop to B4. Here it's also kind of a dubious move kasi here Bishop takes E2. And after Knight takes E2, there's Bishop to E7.
Ito man lang yung rami ni Jess, oh.
And yung pressure na dinadala ng black, it's just too much. I'm just saying, it's just too much.
Ito may battery dito.
After B3, sabihin na natin king side, G3 or queen to D3,
Hindi ko na alam kung nasa
C5. And after, sabihin na mag-break yan, kainin mo yan. Ang lakas ng pressure ng black, may open file dito, yung bishop ay active na, yung knight ay naka sa open file, pwede siya tumalon dito. It's just heaven for black sa position na to. So bishop B4,
gawin nyo muna
wait.
software nyo.
Bishop B4 and then A3.
Yan ang battery sa ito.
Bishop takes E2. Here you can't take with the queen kasi my knight takes D4. You're gonna lose the pawn. So after rook takes E2,
Battery ng TV nyo.
knight takes D4.
Battery ng remote sa TV.
It's the blunder that Sarteza played. We will see that kasi ito yung nangyari sa game. Pero here in this position, the best move is to play bishop takes E3. Or maybe, or alisin mo yung bishop. Pero mas maganda yung, bishop takes E3. Kasi after B takes E3, casting king side. And then A4, rook FB8. And then, tuloy lang yung game. Equal lang. Pero here, he played knight takes D4, which is a bad move. We will see in the game, as after A takes B4,
Wow.
knight takes E2 check, queen takes E2. Here he played queen takes E2, hindi knight takes E2. Here knight takes E2 is better kasi asabihan kainin mo yan. May knight F4 na talon, and if you castle, this is knight H5. And you're threatening, sabihin natin palayasin mo, you're threatening something like this. Pag binaba mo yan, may knight check dito, and then queen here.
Ay, ayaw ko niyan.
Tapos sabihin natin random move, maganto ka,
Lol.
tapos matcha ka dito.
Stickers.
Ito talaga yung idea nun. Kasi, di mo matatakasan yan. Let's say you play something like this, queen h1 is just mate. You can't really escape from it. So, ayun. Yun yung idea. Medyo malalim, pero you had to find out. Pero here, queen takes e2 is still fine. You're still +1. Sarteza played queen takes b4. That's a normal move
Bye.
to play by a human. Pero, yun nga, you should not take poison pawns that very easily. Especially kapag
Heaven.
3 versus 2 ka. Ang tawag dito? Two minor pieces versus for a rook. Medyo mahirap yun kapag nakuhaan ka ng tempo kasi dalawa sila tas isa lang yung pinampalit mo. So ayun, especially sa open position na to. So after queen takes b4, rook a4, queen e7, it's already +2. And after queen g4, here rook e4 is better. For the purposes of bringing your pieces to the weaknesses. Kasi itong queen pwede naman dyan mag-travel eh. Sabihin natin king move. After bishop move, sabihin rook here, tapos babalik yan.
Sabi ka pala, hindi akin na lang.
Pwede, sabihin natin ganito, ang tinira niya. Pwede pagka-check niyan, pwede mo lang i-bring yung queen mo or do something much better. Basta pwede mo nang galawin kasi yung queen mo. Magiging mas accessible na or mas maganda na yung queen mo yung panghuli kasi nga yung rook mas mahihirapan kapag yung queen ang inuna mo. So ayun, yun yung idea nun. Queen g4. Wait lang, tama ba? Okay, queen g4. Ang best move here is f6. And then e takes, queen takes. Pero ang ginawa ni Sarteza is casting king side. And now, this just falls down. The castle just crumbles. After bishop g5, ang best move ay f6. Tapos bibigay mo na yung pawn kasi di mo pwede kainin. Kasi open check. Di talaga pwede yun. Mamate ka. Tapos queen f7 here. Yun ang best move. This is just utterly losing, okay? Ganyan, medyo mahirap hanapin yan. Pag kinaya mo yan, matatalo ka pa kasi may mata sa ilalim. So, ayun. After push pawn, mababa ka lang ng rook. Pag punish niya ulit, dito ka na. So, yun yung parang mahirap na hanapin doon. Ni Sarteza. Pero, yeah. Tao lang naman. Mahirap yun. Okay, bishop g5. Ang ginawa ni Sarteza here is queen d7 and ito na yung katapusan kasi after bishop f6, it is already forced mate in 4. Pinatagal lang ni Bamba kasi nag queen h3 siya. Pero this is also already resignable.
Si Mamba?
Panalo siya. Okay? Kasi after g6, queen g5, queen d... Yan yung forcing line. Yun yung pampatagal na version. And this is already losing. Even if you ask me kung ako to, mag-resign na lang ako or tutuloyin ko na lang. Kasi mati na talaga to. So, G6. Ang ginawa ni Bamba is queen H3. Pinatagal niya lang. Pero okay lang yan. Kasi mati pa rin naman. Pangit kung nawala yung mate. Kasi ato H5, rook H4. And sabihin natin, and sabi ko natin is D4. Rook takes H5. Here, di na siya nagsulat. Tapos, natalo ng lugod si Sarteza. So, a great game for Bamba. Tuloy lang ang training. Kaya mo yan sa Bicol Meet. Make Jose Panganiban proud. And this is Jada's analysis and I will goodbye. Goodbye.